Yo, we got this Milwaukee tool bag, and inside this tool bag we have my work sockets. Let's check them out. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. I'm gonna start off with the metric sockets. Alright, so this was inside the metric bag, and here we got the shallow sizes, and we had the deep sockets. Smallest size would be size 6. Biggest size would be a 1-inch. And these are all Craftsman sockets. And for the deep metric sockets, the smallest one would be a 9. Biggest size would be a 19. Alright. Let's check out the standard sizes. Alright, here we have the standard sizes. And these are also Craftsman. And the smallest size would be 1/4 inch. Biggest size would be a 15/16. Craftsman 3/8 drive. And here we have the deep sockets. Smallest size would be the 1/4 inch. Biggest one would be 7/8. Craftsman. So here we have the standard, metric. Let's see what else is in the bag. Alright, let's start off with these are the Makita impact sockets, both metric and standard. These 3/8 adapt. I mean, not adapters, but hold on. These focus. Oh, there we go. So when I use the drill or the impact, this sucks. It dances too much. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a power built 3/8 spinner. We have your 3/8 extensions, multiple sizes. We have this brand new Husky universal joint. We have 3/8 Craftsman USA breaker bar. And lastly, we got a 3/8 USA Craftsman ratchet. And that's pretty much it. Wait. I got got these for the drills, for the impacts. So pretty much it. That's all we got in this bag. So there you go. We have the standard size, deep and shallow. We have the metric, also deep and shallow. And we got these extensions. We have a spinner, universal joint. Sorry about that. Breaker bar, a ratchet, and these Makita. And here we got this big boy, and it's a 1/2 inch impact wrench. So all this was in this bag. So yeah. I also have just bought I just bought some impact, also both shallow and deep on both standard and metric, but I need to remove these from the bag and add the new ones in here. They're also Craftsman, the impact sockets. I need to replace these. I have them somewhere in a bag. Let me see. Here we go. And these are the Craftsman. Impact sockets I need to add to my Milwaukee tool bag. So yeah, this is my Milwaukee tool bag, and I got my work sockets. Thanks for watching.